Hey friends, today's video we're going to be playing two truths and a lie. So what I'm going to do is tell you 3 facts about selling on eBay, and then I'm going to tell you which 2 of them are true and one of them is a lie, explaining each one of them how they can actually help you have sales and make money reselling on eBay. So let's get into it. I'm going to share the facts with you and then let you guys guess it down below. Let me know in the comments which one you think is the lie. Having a store can increase your sales. You make more money if you sell higher average sale price items, so items that cost more. Free returns will increase your exposure. So let me know down below which one you guys think is the lie. The first one is having a store can increase your sales. And this is true. It can. Is it guaranteed to? No. Is it possible and is it likely to? Yes. And so some of the reasons is it's not necessarily that eBay gives you a boost and if you have a store because you're paying them money, it's because you get tools and analytics to help make more strategic decisions about your business. I'm going to link a video up here that goes through should you have a store, and it's more than just the listings. It's more than I'm paying for so many listings and it's more cost effective. That is one of the reasons. But the tools and analytics that you get from a store, you can you can send buyers newsletters, you can send coupons, you can run sales, you can do promote, and the analytics that you can see and access to eBay's Tear Peak data to help you make better strategic sourcing decisions. It's going to help you be a better business and make better strategic decisions. Purpose of this video is not going all the way in depth into that, so definitely check out my should you have an eBay store video after you watch this video, of course. Make sure to check that out to learn more about how a store is actually going to help you make more sales on eBay. The second thing is you make more money selling high average sale price items. Now, if you follow me, you probably knew this, and this is hopefully I've drilled this into you, that is not true. You can make more money selling high price items. However, it is not true. And I'm going to show you exactly why. This is the platinum formula for gold. This is the platinum formula for resellers. It is a spreadsheet that I have created to help you understand your business better and make better strategic decisions, making sure that you make money selling. So I'm going to quickly go through what it is. If you want more information, I have a whole playlist on golden formula for resellers and platinum formula for resellers. It's ultimately just putting a math formula into how much money that you make. So oftentimes we hear in the community you have to have a huge store to make money and you make more money selling average sale price items. Simply not true. And let me show you why. So let's say your sell-through rate, this is of your 575 items that you have for sale, you are selling 8% of them and you're selling them at $35, right? So let's say that that's your high average sale price and you're making $1,600 down here. Now let's say you go down to $15, your average sale price, a lower average sale price, but because you're selling $15 items, you're selling more of them because people have more money to do it. And so let's say you increase your sell-through rate to 20% because you can cruise through $15 items. People are buying more CDs or books or whatever is a $15 average sale price item. Your sell-through rate has gone up. And so now you're actually making more money. Your net's down because your fees are really high. So let's put your fees at a reasonable rate. There we go. And we're not talking so much about the net right now, but if you're selling low average sale price items, you probably shouldn't spend $9 on them. We'll put that to $5 too, right? But now you're actually making $1,700 even though you're selling low average sale price items. Is there one way to make money reselling on eBay? And the answer is no. It's a numbers game. If you are selling low average sale price items, you can still make money. You can still make lots of money at it. You just have to work on items that have a higher sell-through rate. And then you probably have to work a lot more on processes, because if you are selling that many items, you're probably listing a lot more items, you're sourcing a lot more items, and you're shipping a lot more items. So getting your processes fine-tuned and doing things very quickly is going to help you make that money. If you are liking this video, do make sure to like, save, comment, and share. It's a way that pushes it out in the eBay algorithm for more views. It's also a completely free way for you to support content creators. You can also consider joining my memberships to support more content like this. Let's get back to it. So now the third thing is going to be, is that what number 1? Yes. The third thing is going to be free returns will increase your exposure. This is true. Now, let me tell you why. It's not because eBay likes you. It's not because there's a checkbox in the algorithm that gives you free returns. The reason is it's twofold. One reason is if you are a top-rated seller is going to give you more exposure. eBay says it. I'm going to link a video up here about the top-rated seller program, what you need to do to get into it, and how it benefits you. But one of the benefits to it is it will give you more exposure. However, you don't have to have free returns to be a top-rated seller. If you are a top-rated seller and you have free returns and one-day handling, your listing is then a top-rated seller plus listing, right? And this is giving you exposure twofold. It's giving you exposure because buyers are looking for it. It's from a buyer behavior standpoint. They are looking for this. 85% of buyers on eBay are looking at return policies. And having free returns is a policy that buyers like. So it's buyer behavior that is increasing it. And then it's also because if you look at how people are looking for items. So let's say I'm looking for women's jeans and there's 360,000 women's jeans on eBay. This is only 360,000 jeans on eBay that are free shipping. I did a video earlier and we were talking about free shipping, but free shipping is selected on it. So now if I go down and select I want free returns, this is how buyers are searching for your items. I am now down to almost half of those. So I am getting more exposure because as people are clicking those check boxes and as people are clicking for that item, looking for what they want, it's giving me more exposure because I'm coming up in more searches. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, save, and comment, and then consider joining my memberships.